As we edged closer to the end of our hike, we saw beautiful rock formations, Niagara Falls, and the Ruby Falls waterfall was spectacular. So please enjoy this underground wonderland.
Now you were right, and I almost fell at it. Yeah, you did fell. No, Hey, Mommy.
That's from this Niagara.
Ooh, you caught on that. Almost to Canada. Niagara Falls. Oh, it is pretty.
Bobby, there's a few steps right here.
Okay, Mom, you're right.
Careful, man. Can't offer you a hand if you need one. Try to slip on this stuff. Oh, no, that's okay, man. No, you guys are good back there. Yeah, just stay where you're at. She's got to get on a rail. Over there, there's 2 rails, so she'll be good.
That's a really interesting
These dark red colors were a little bit scary, but they were interesting and they were beautiful. They didn't show up as well as I liked on my camera, but all in all, I did like them and they did give a definite glow. At this point, all you can say is wow, and just watch. It's amazing. Take a picture real quick. Yeah. Put in the video. Y'all turn around the video. Hey, boys. Get in the video. Take in Papa. Get in the video. Hey. Awesome. Good job. Alright. I can make a picture out of it. Awesome. What do you think, baby?